Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about a very simple and a very powerful function which is from Python NumPy API, and it is heavily used. And the function name is reshape. And let me demonstrate you that you know how it works. Let me just first import NumPy, and let me create an array. I'll create a simple array with 6 elements, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now supposedly I want to reshape this array in such a way that I want it to have 2 rows, and to do that I will use a.reshape. I'm sure that I need 2 rows. I don't care about columns. I would like reshape to handle that for me. So it gives you 2 rows and it divides this array in 2 rows. It's like first row is 0, 1, 2, the second row is 3, 4, and 5. And you would have seen reshape being used as with these parameters -1 and 1. So what this will do is that the rows here are not known to me, but I want the array A to be reshaped such that every row has only one column. And in this case the array has like 6 elements, so there will be 6 rows with each of these elements as only its one column. So see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another example could be that if I want to have 3 rows and I don't care about how many columns, so it will give me 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So this is the use of reshape.